Hi everyone, welcome to my second video where we're solely going to look at clips from my most supportive viewer, John. You've probably seen many of his videos, even sometimes without realising them, and you probably know how good he is. And here's a great example. What's he going to do now? Now, I know he did reverse quite quickly, but I'm certain John would be really aware of who was around him in all times, so this was no issue. And it doesn't surprise me, he's doing his utmost to try and help this lorry driver out. And when the lorry driver turns right, he's got even more to do. John drives a van. I'm not sure exactly what size van, but he's always appreciative of the space that other people need. Nice fix, and well appreciated by the lorry driver. So John nicely gets on with his day. All I would like to add with this next part of the clip, John often tests himself, I think, by going up roads like this. But what about that lorry driver? He was brave. Here's another clip where John susses out really early the space that another road user needs. Let's make that a few road users. That little move that he's just had, I can't be certain, but it's probably to show people behind that he's intending to move out after they've finished. And when there is enough space with the tractors, he's on his way again. Nice work. Although John drives well, he does also spot some bad stuff. That's it, no tail lights and some good lane discipline. Like it. John's also very good at fixing other people's mistakes. Watch what he does as the bus parks in and someone's overtaking him. Another problem to fix. John called this clip, "You can't expect a vehicle towing a trailer to reverse." Brilliant thought. But how many people would have thought the same? Literally 20 seconds and the problem solved. Not everyone would do this though. He called this clip "Bloody Learners." Only joking. They weren't in a brilliant position to do the right turn, and it's obvious with the stall they're at an early stage. So John just holds back and gives them time and room to finish. Superb. I do know John used to be a cyclist at some point in his life. I'm not sure whether he cycles now, but his appreciation for people on two wheels is brilliant. How many road users would have been barrelling past at this point?
Go right on the roundabout and take the second exit.
John's also very aware of other people not paying attention. Watch the silver car to the right. As with everyone who spends a lot of time on the roads, it's quite possible that you're going to witness some nasty things on occasions. And I'd like to use this clip just as a reminder not to drink drive. John did send me a clipping from a local paper explaining what happened with this incident. This clip was called "Check Your Mirrors Before You Move, Driver." John knows the problems and the legalities of undertaking. How do you see this clip? It's something that I would do too. And in case you didn't know, undertaking can be classed as careless driving. Let's have a look at this clip John captured. As John moves back to the left, watch the Audi that's been undertaking on the left hand side. This driving has been witnessed by an undercover police car that's quite soon going to come up on the right hand side. And here it is, flashing the Jag to move over. I wonder what's going to happen next. So to everyone who says undertaking isn't illegal, well, it can be in certain situations. I doubt this Audi driver got away with that. Here's another aftermath of a collision that John has stumbled across. Please let me know what you think has gone on. It does seem a little strange, however, that there are no people about and there are no police at the scene. Interesting. Would you ever drive across a pavement if you're in a rush?
B&B upon Bliss for a long weekend of country pursuits, organic markets, designer welly shops, the ancestral home of Lord Chomberley, mooching round.
In this clip we've got a great example of another skill that John's very good at. He won't confuse people with what he's doing. Some people may have stopped and let the lady cross, but how would that have affected the black car? This clip was called "The Cyclist Only Thinks About Himself", and I'm in total agreement. You can look after people more vulnerable than you are. To finish off, we're going to have a look at a clip which really encompasses a lot of John's skills all in one. He's commanded the road space because he's seen his queue up ahead. He can't clear, so he's going to let this lorry driver out. And to quote John's title of this clip, how would he get out otherwise? Even though John delivers all over the country and is probably on a tight schedule himself, he realises that doing something like this isn't going to cost him much time whatsoever. Remember, it's nice to be nice, and John's excellent at it. The variety of different clips that John has sent over the years has added another dimension to the channel and has helped hundreds and if not thousands of people. Thanks a lot, mate. I owe you more than one. And to everyone else, thanks a lot for watching, and remember, you won't go far wrong if you try and be like John. Keep safe, everyone.